Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back at, of course, one of my favorite places on earth. This today is Copart in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Got my Coca-Cola ready to go. It's a warm day here, and I'm going to be here for a while because they have so much inventory for us to check out. And I think I'm going to even show you some of the motorcycles that they've got and maybe even some ATVs. So without further ado, let's find us a car. For some reason, I have been on the hunt for a station wagon, or an estate, as they say over in England. 2016 Audi Q5 Premium in white over what looks to be tan. Yes, this is one beautiful car, and as we're walking around it, I'm looking for damage, and I don't really see much damage at all. Lots of tread on the tires. The wheels are gorgeous, but for some reason, every light has condensation. Okay, you have a little scratch here. That'll really buff out. That's no problem at all. Okay, this window is a little down. This one is all the way down. So she's a little dusty inside there. A lot of mud on the tire right here for some reason. And look at all of this condensation. Yeah, we have, oh, even some of the silver plating has come off and kind of gone around the lens there. So, oh, well, okay. So the lost type is listed as a, yeah, it's a flood. This is a flood vehicle. Does it smell like a flood vehicle? It doesn't really smell a whole lot like mold. Look at the roof. That's gorgeous. I love that. Okay. Well, you know what we have to do? We have to get in here and take a look. I can't even get inside to do anything. Everything looks to be in order up here. It's just really dirty. Look at this. Yeah, this is a dusty place to be. It used to be nice. It really did. It used to be nice. Let's pop the hood and see what lies beneath. Here's the beneath part. Yep, looks like we have some spillage right there. It's a little discolored. I just want to see if we can see how high the water got up in here. Leaves, they're dry, so that doesn't concern me right here. You want to look for, I'm taking off my sunglasses. There they are. You want to try to find the water level so you can see if it had a chance to get inside the engine. And sometimes you can take a look at your air filter. You can take a look at your dipstick and your oil to see what's going on. Is that what this is right here? Oh, well, dagnabbit. That may not be possible. Okay. Nothing seems to be out of place though. Everything is still attached as the way like it came from. Huh. Well, this could be interesting. Let's just kind of see if anything is going to happen. Oh, this is a hot mess. Yikes. No, I can't get anything to turn on here. And now that I'm in here for a while, yeah, she's a stinker. She is a stinker. So unfortunately, I can't even get the windows to go up. Yeah. All right. Well, we tried. We gave her a little extra power, and we can't do anything with her. So we're gonna have to pass on this one. It used to be nice, but there is something electrically wrong. Right next door though, how about this? Check out this. It's kind of a station wagon. It's a Ford Flex. They were flexing when they built this one. This is black and it is a good looking car. This is from 2017. It's the SEL version, but the damage is hail. Hail, yes. Not a whole bunch. And there's really not that much on the side. Just a couple of scratches and stuff. If I was taller, I could look on the top. You tell me. You see any damage up there? Okay. I've always wondered what these were like. Do you have a Ford Flex? Is there one in your driveway? A couple of dings in the trim. Maybe one right there. Ding, ding, ding. And some on the top that I can see right up there. It's not huge. You could get a hood. Get yourself a new hood, and that's really all you would need. Absolutely. This is a good looking little Flex. A Flexmobile. Let's see what the inside is like. Oh. They had a dog and some dirty kids. There's dog hair everywhere in here. This is a spacious vehicle though. Ooh. Ugh. Yeah, okay, that's kind of dirty up there. You can clean those. That's not a big deal. Tires and wheels look good. Seat is a little bit cracked right here. Armrest is a little bit cracked. Let's see what it's like. We do have power, so that is great. Push our little start stop. Oh, this sounds good. Look how fancy that is. 2017 Ford Flex. For some reason, this is cracked. How'd that get cracked? I don't know. It's not major. You could probably just get the lens from somewhere. Oh, we need some air conditioning. Let's do my temperature. Here we go. Dual AC. Here comes the AC. Wait, it seems to be all going through. I don't want this. Here we go. So you push the actual colors. You don't push this little bar thing. And we have AC. There it is. We'll go max. Oh yes, thank you so much. This car has some miles on her though. We do have a check engine light, driver's door ajar, low tire pressure, and as you see right there, 229,000 miles, which is fine. A little less than half a tank of gas. Audio is off. I kind of like that instrument cluster though. That's nice. It's got the manual steering wheel adjust. Okay. Yeah, she shifts, which is good. Let's listen to the engine real quick. There's your engine. Aren't these supposed to have a cover to make them look kind of pretty? This is a dirty engine. Look at this. Wow. Okay. That's been through the block a little bit, and it's kind of swollen. That battery is swole like I used to be back in the day. Ha! But otherwise, it seems to be running pretty good. Usually check engine lights or, vacuum leaks, emissions problems. Maybe that's all it is for this. There is coolant in there. That's good. I kind of like this. What do you think? The battery will need to be renewed, 8 of 19, but just look at the state of that. Yeah, that's bad. And I don't know what happened to the cover, but otherwise, I'm not terribly afraid of the engine and that check engine light at all. Oh, well, we do have to, yeah, you have a little crack in the windshield. So you need a hood and a windshield, and that's it. And I guarantee you everything else is going to work. See? All the windows are working. Okay. Well, what do we say? Mikey likes this one. And this AC, I'm really loving it. All right, 2017 Ford Flex SEL in black over tan, kind of a sporty inside interior. I like the fake wood accents. Plastic wood, yep, there you go. It really gets me going. And our last station wagon, yep, BMW 2013 X5 in white over tan. No problems here that you'll see as we kind of continue on down the side. There's your problem. Is the other wheel going the other way? Did she kind of jump a curb and then drag something? This isn't major. I mean, you could fix that. Nothing huge. Let's see what the other wheels look like. No damage, no damage, no damage. No, this wheel's fine. I don't see any body damage either. Now, I do get a report, and it's kind of a summary of action at the auctions, you could say. Yeah, it kind of tells me what vehicles are being searched for and looked at and bid on. And believe it or not, the X5 and the X1 and the X3, people are looking at these right now. They are. These are hot vehicles. So, with that being said, 3.5i X-Drive, four-wheel drive. Let's see what she sounds like. Let's see if she's going to start for us. This was, okay, a college student owned this. Probably got it from mom or dad. Yeah, let's see what she's like. This is nice. You know I like BMWs. I do. I really do. Sometimes the leather wears a little bit quicker. Sometimes the interior wood is a little plasticky looking. But otherwise, I do. I like them. I like the bells and the sounds that they make. Here we go. There it is. Now we got it. An old Catholic tradition. Turn that off. Okay. They were listening to NPR. How about that? Oh. So we're having some tire issues, understandably so. I can't really do anything suspension-wise or back tire-wise. I don't want to break anything. But let's crank this thing way down and enjoy some air conditioning if we can. Air conditioning. Okay. Yes, the AC works. So point everything on me. All the attention goes on me. This is a nice car. This would be something that you could fix. Let me adjust the seat a little bit. Once again, giant sunroof. No cracks on the windshield, so that's a plus. It's just the left rear wheel. That's what you need to fix. All this is going to work. So maybe get like a control arm, maybe an axle. You do need a wheel, probably a tire. So I'm going to say for maybe $1,000, $1,500, you could have yourself a very nice SUV with 122,000 miles. That's low. That is really, really low. Comfortable, beautiful. I like the white over tan, very classic. You get room back there for your passengers. And yes, the AC is cold. Mikey likes low tire pressure. Yeah, we know. We know all about that. So in the world of wagons or SUVs, who'd you rather? Yeah, what about the Audi that had a flood and some electrical issues? We had the Ford Flex with just some hail damage on the hood and some of the trim pieces. I wouldn't worry about the trim pieces. Get yourself a windshield, $300. A hood is probably $200 from a salvage yard. Put those on, you're good to go with that. It had some miles on her. Or how about this right here, the BMW X5 X-Drive from 2013 with only 122,000 miles. What would I choose? This one. Yeah, I would. I really like this. This is nice. It's comfortable. It's not going to get stopped in any kind of a snowstorm. You're going to go where you want to go. And it's sporty at the same time. I like this one. Let me know what you like. What would you take? What would you prefer to park in your driveway, folks? And guess what? We did it. We hit 40,000 subscribers. Whoa! Yeah, we did it. So what's next? 50,000. How long will that take me? I don't know. I have no idea. But I do want to say thank you to everybody who did subscribe. And it's been a journey. But I can say that I have been full-time on YouTube for about a year and 5 months. And in that time, YouTube has been able to pay my mortgage. So that's a win for me. Now, if YouTube could cover all my other expenses, my car purchases and everything else, that would be very helpful. And that's where you come in. So please like, please subscribe if you haven't. Share this with your friends. Tell everybody about Monkey Wrench Mike and his very cool hats and his fun videos. And I would be very, very appreciative. Okay, folks, I'm going to sit here, cool down a little bit, and then it's off to some more cars or trucks or SUVs or ATVs. Yeah, we'll find some cool things. Thanks again to everybody here at Copart, and thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.